This is Andre Banks with my brother Damian Banks for Banks Credit Chat, coming to you about the 16 to 24 month rule. It's something that we kind of coined together, and it really talks about how in the first 16 to 24 months, that has the biggest impact if you have something negatively on your credit report in terms of how that's going to affect you going forward. So many people, when the conversations that go with me and they're saying, hey, I had something bad, man, it's going to last for 7 years. That's kind of, even if it's bankruptcy, the 7th month might be the time frame for it to drop off your credit report, but the impact that it actually has to your credit score takes place in the first 16 to 24 months. A lot of people are not aware of that, and they only come function on that 7, because that rings well with everyone, the 7 year, sorry, let me correct myself, 7 year time frame in terms of how long it takes something to drop off your credit report. But the 16 to 24 month rule say, so if you had something negatively impact, like you just been delinquent on your credit cards, at first it has that impact, but it only really gives that the potency, to say the best word for it, in the first 16 to 24 months. Got anything to say about that, Dan?
No, I mean, it's like anything else. It dies down, and you're able to build from there. Most people think they got to wait 7 years, but once the impact has affected you from the 16 to 24 months, like you discussed, after that, you can start doing things or channeling things to build the credit up. You don't have to wait the initial 7 years. So you're giving yourself so much time to actually leave something alone or act like you can't utilize it or build on it, when actually you're just letting years and months and time go by where you can be establishing yourself to having good credit way before the 7-year term.
Couldn't say anything better. So initial impact, 16 to 24 months. Focus on that as something keep that, I can't say focus on it. Keep it in the back of your mind when you're doing things going forward, and really take that to heed. As my brother just said, point out directly, don't wait the 7 years for something hopefully to come back, or try to find someone to try to knock things off your credit report because of that point, or thinking from that thing. And we've done some videos in the past talking about the importance of pulling your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. But I want to stress again the 16 to 24 months rule, that something initially has an impact first 16 to 24 months. As we always say, if this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments. Until our next video, we're out.